Binance locked staking. Locked staking refers to the process of locking your digital assets on a proof-of-stake blockchain for a certain period of time. This not only contributes to the network, but also provides you staking rewards. More specifically, proof-of-stake is a consensus mechanism that selects block validators based on the number of coins they stake. The more coins at stake, the higher the rewards. Binance locked staking provides an easy way for hodlers to stake and earn rewards. Let's check it out. How to stake on Binance. First, log into your Binance account. Next, find the Finance tab at the top. Go to Binance Earn, then select Staking. Here, you can see all the locked staking tokens with an estimated annual percentage yield, duration days, and minimum locked amount. Choose the asset you want to stake, adjust the duration, then click on Stake Now. On the next page, you'll find all the details about the selected staking offer. The page will show the estimated annual percentage yield for each duration, allowing you to pick the best offer for you. The estimated annual percentage yield is adjusted daily based on the on-chain staking rewards. During the staking period, your assets will be locked on-chain, so you won't be able to withdraw or perform any transactions with the allocated assets. Available amount shows the available balance in your spot wallet that you can use to stake unlocked staking. There is a minimum required limit for staking, and if your balance is lower than that, you won't be able to stake. Once you purchase the product successfully, interests are calculated starting at 0 hours UTC the following day. The interests are distributed to the spot wallet every day after 0 hours UTC. When the process is complete, the staked assets will be redeemed automatically, and the funds returned to your spot wallet. After confirming the details, enter the locked amount you want to stake, and then click on Confirm Purchase to complete the process. You will find the details under Earn Locked Staking. If you want to redeem your assets before the end of the process, click on the Redeem Earlier button. Please note that unlocking your staked assets requires a specific time based on the specifications of the chain you're staking on. Binance locked staking allows you to redeem assets the following day. However, it sometimes takes 48 to 72 hours to receive the tokens due to different global time zones. Remember that if you decide to redeem the locked staking products in advance, the interest you have generated will be deducted when your assets are returned. Binance locked staking, safe investments with higher rewards.